Ever feel like your hands need a job of their own while you're trying to think? We've all been there. This is a precision-engineered tool that's part high-end writing instrument and part modular fidget system. It's designed to help you focus, relieve stress, and even make those annoying little daily decisions. This gadget isn't just a pen, it's a 3-module system built for tactile satisfaction. At the bottom, you have a high-quality writing module. In the middle, there's a spring-loaded ball. On top, a rotating dice module. Because it's magnetic, you can snap these pieces together in different combinations. Every single time the magnets connect, you get a crisp, satisfying click that feels incredibly solid. Let's talk about the middle section. It features a precision-engineered metal ball. When you press down on it, you get a mechanical feedback that feels much better than a standard button. If you pull the modules apart and snap them back, it feels just like snapping a pencil over and over again without actually breaking anything. It's addictive in the best way possible. Now, if you're a fan of EDC gear, you're going to love the rotation. This tool uses a ceramic bearing. Since it's non-metallic, it isn't affected by the internal magnets. This means you get a smooth, consistent spin every time. You can actually configure this product in over 50 different ways to fidget. Whether you like a rhythmic clicking sound or a silent, ghostly smooth glide, you can set it up to match your mood. Need to actually write something? Just give the section a quick twist. The tip extends and retracts smoothly, so there's no cap to lose, and the ink isn't your basic office supply variety. It's a specialized refill designed for an ultra-smooth experience, and it lasts up to 6 times longer than a standard pen. One of the coolest features is the dice module. We all face those tiny, tricky choices during the day. What should I have for lunch? Should I send this email now or later? Instead of stressing, just give the top a spin and let the dice decide. It's a fun, low-stakes way to keep your workflow moving. If you want to change things up, you can even swap the dice for a spiral module. When you spin that, it creates a visual flow that's honestly pretty hypnotic. And for the desk setup enthusiasts, there's a maglev stand. It's magnetically balanced, so the tool stays perfectly centered. If you touch it, it glides and swings before settling back into place with total precision. Whether you choose the aerospace-grade titanium for maximum durability or the sleek aluminum edition, this is a tool built to last. It turns restless fidgeting into a focused, tactile experience that actually looks professional on a desk. If you're ready to level up your workspace, check out the link in the description to grab one for yourself. If you enjoyed this deep dive into functional design, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more educational looks at the latest tech and gear. Thanks for watching and stay focused.